In the scorching desert regions, the scarcity of water poses a significant challenge. After enduring long distances barefoot, the possibility of discovering water becomes a reality.
पहिरियां हिते असांखे ॾाढी पाणी जी तकलीफ़ हूंदी बिन परे परे असीं खूहनि तां पाणी खणण वेंदा हुआसीं.
A significant portion of the day is dedicated to this task.
तक़रीबन ॾुकार वारी हालत गुज़ारींदा हुआ.
In such circumstances, Alkhidmat Foundation's mandate proves to be a true blessing.
हमने आके यहाँ पे सर्वे की, इसके बाद हमने यहाँ पे ये प्रोजेक्ट एजाज हुसैन की तावन से यहाँ पे हमने प्रोजेक्ट इंस्टॉल किया.
जॾहिं इहो असां वटि सोलर लॻो आहे या समर पंप लॻो आहे उन खां पोइ ॾाढी असांखे सहूलियत थी आहे.
Obtaining water on the Dahils is now not just feasible, but also convenient and trouble-free. This allows men in the village to pursue work, enabling women to manage household chores and focus on nurturing their children's growth and education. However, numerous villages and millions of families residing in them continue to face water shortages and eagerly await your assistance. Please lend your support to this noble cause.